Best wall-mounted file holder review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular file holders in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this hanging file holder so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to set this up and use it right away. The one that made our list is the EasyPag Mesh Wall File Holder. This file organizer is made from heavy-duty metal mesh construction for extended durability. There are 5 vertical pockets and a bottom tray to sort your files and papers for a neat, organized working space. The slim, upright wall-mounted design means it doesn't take up space on your desk, so you can work on a clutter-free table. The wireframe design also means it hardly collects dust, so that there's less cleaning required. It's really easy to mount, and all the mounting hardware is included. To check out the full specs of the EasyPag Mesh Wall File Holder and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/wallfile. Here's a quick look at this wall file holder. So there you have it, the EasyPag Mesh Wall File Holder. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the material, and its overall functionality, we feel that this set is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the EasyPag Mesh Wall File Holder and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/wallfile. Alright, thank you for watching.